In this section, we're going to build the basic interface for our text editor. Open up the palette window and drag a text area onto the form. Stretch its corners so it completely covers the frame, and make sure the resize buttons are enabled so that the text area will get resized along with the frame. Then, go to the Properties window and enable line wrap for the text area. With this done, let's go back to the palette and add a menu bar. By default, we get a File and Edit menu, and that's exactly what we need for now. Add 5 menu items to the File menu and rename them to New, Open, Save, Save As, and Exit by double-clicking on their names. Also, go ahead and give them shortcut keys, again by double-clicking, this time on the shortcut area next to the name. Finally, we'll add some separators to visually group the components. Next, go to the Edit menu and do the same thing here, this time adding menus for Cut, Copy, Paste, and Select All. Now, to make things a bit simpler, let's bring up the inspector and rename all of the components. Then, go to Events and add an action event handler to each of the menu items. For convenience, we'll use the same handler, called Menu Action, for all of them. We're now done in Design View, so let's switch over to Source View. To better grasp this code, I have simplified it somewhat. For now, we're only interested in the Menu Action handler. To determine which menu component was clicked, we'll compare the source of the event to the menu items using a series of else-if clauses. Let's first implement the edit menus. This is simple because all of these methods are included in the text area class. We can create the exit handler just as easy using the system exit function. The other menus need a bit more coding, so we'll move their implementation out into new methods which we're going to write in the next couple of sections.